This course is presented via individual video modules that focus on the fundamental concepts you need to understand to successfully construct a reliable and robust EFI wiring harness. Even if you feel that you may understand many of the concepts involved, I urge you to initially watch this course in its entirety. There are many subtle tips and tricks explained that form what I consider to be essential automotive and electrical wiring harness construction knowledge. Once you've watched the course in its entirety, it is simple to review any of the modules that you would like to understand better. This is particularly handy when you want to focus on a specific concept or lesson while constructing a wiring harness. This course is theory-based, and while it does include several practical demonstrations of techniques used when constructing a wiring harness, it is not a practical walkthrough on the construction of an EFI wiring harness from scratch. This is covered in our practical wiring course, which takes the theory that you will learn here and expands upon it, providing complete, worked examples of wiring harness construction that you can follow step by step. Now you've purchased this course, it is yours for life, and you can watch it as many times as you like. While we've tried to cover every concept that we felt was important, you may still have other questions that come up, or concepts that you would like explained more thoroughly. This course also includes HPA Gold membership, which gives you access to our online community, and there you will find our forum. This is the perfect place to ask any technical questions you have. If you have any questions or comments on this video module, you'll find a link below that will let you quickly create a thread in our discussion forums. Asking your question there means all the other members can benefit from the discussion as well.